The concept of neutralizing threats related to biological weapons, called biosecurity, has gained significant attention in the past few decades. Biological weapons, or bioweapons, are organisms or toxins that are used to cause harm or even fatality in animals, plants, or humans. These include bacteria, viruses, or fungi, intentionally employed to disrupt ecological stability, human health, or agriculture. These threats are not limited to wars or terrorist attacks, but also stretch to accidental laboratory leaks, pandemics, or genetically altered organisms. Diving into history, the utilization of bioweapons dates as far back as 600 BC, when the Assyrians used fungus to poison enemy wells. Fast forward to World War I, Germany sent anthrax, glanders, and other pathogen-carrying materials to its allied forces, marking the first large-scale deployment of infectious diseases as bioweapons. The disturbing interest in biological warfare peaked during the Cold War, which gave birth to programs such as the Soviet Union's notorious Biopreparat, an umbrella platform for experimental and weaponized lethal agents such as anthrax and smallpox. The significance of biosecurity has risen due to the potential misuse of modern biotechnology. Today, DNA editing techniques like CRISPR can potentially be used to create designer pathogens, posing a new level of biosecurity risks. The risk is high since these technologies are widely distributed and relatively easy to use. Biosecurity measures have their aisles lined with benefits, and one of these is protecting public health. By implementing stringent biosecurity precautions, we can limit the spread of deadly diseases and prevent catastrophic outbreaks that can decimate populations and destabilize economies. Biosecurity also serves to safeguard our food systems. It can prevent a destructive pathogen from decimating livestock or crops, ensuring the continuity and safety of the food supply. Moreover, it's a crucial facet of national security. A robust biosecurity framework can protect a nation from the menace of biological warfare and bioterrorism, building a line of defense against potentially catastrophic threats. From the perspective of research and development, biosecurity measures manage the risks associated with hazardous biological materials in laboratories, ensuring the safety of those working in them and the people living around them. But while the advantages of biosecurity are numerous and consequential, it's not without drawbacks. Measures to ensure biosecurity can sometimes restrict scientific research. Certain controls may limit access to critical resources necessary for beneficial scientific investigations into diseases, therapies, and vaccines. For instance, the gain-of-function studies posing both risks and benefits predict potential pandemic pathogens, but simultaneously, there's a risk that these pathogens might accidentally escape laboratories. In addition to this, the implementation of biosecurity measures can be costly, meaning limited resources need to be spread thinly to deal with a wide array of potential threats. These resources could otherwise be used to combat known diseases and health issues, leading to a dilemma of risk mitigation. Understanding these implications is key to navigating the complex field of biosecurity. Policies must be balanced delicately to facilitate crucial research while managing risks. We must also foster openness and cooperation worldwide, since a single biosecurity lapse can pose global risk. Maintaining biosecurity in the face of ever-evolving biological threats will continue to be an essential task for nations worldwide if we are to safeguard our shared future against potential devastation. Finely calibrated biosecurity measures could serve as our best hope to protect us from the havoc that the misuse of biology could inflict. Shared vigilance and determined action can help ensure that this hope becomes a reality.